Hello everyone, welcome to the coding school. In this video, I am going to solve a TCS coding question which was asked at 25th October in 2020, slot 1. For better understanding, I am also explain this coding question. Let's see how to solve it. Our statement is we want to estimate the cost of painting a property. Now we will have to find the total cost of painting. So our statement say that interior wall painting cost is 18 per square feet and exterior wall painting cost is 12 per square feet. Now we will have to take input from the user. For our first input will be a number of interior walls and the second input will be a number of exterior walls. In the number of interior walls, we again take a input according to the user for a surface area of each interior, and in the second inputs again we will have to take some inputs according to the user for surface area of each interior. And if a user enters 0, now we will have to print it is a invalid inputs. And now let's see. For example, if user enters 6 and 3, 6 for a interior area and 3 for a exterior area. Now we take a 6 input for a interior area and 3 input for a exterior area. Then if you compile and run this, we will get this type of output. So we will solve this question. Let's see. Let's see our code. First initialize and declare our data types, and 18 take for a interior area and 12 for take for a exterior area according to our statements. And with the help of scanf we will have to take a two input like S and B. We take from the according to the user. If a user enters 0, then we will have to print it is a invalid input. If a user input take input both sides 0 0, again we will have to print a total estimated cost is 0 0. If a user enters something, for example in a S, if a user enter 5, now the loop will be the for loop will be executed 5 times. If a user take 5, and it will be added the value which is taking by user. And in the second loops, in the position of B, if a user take 4 inputs, then the loop will be run 4 times and it is added a value according to. And now finally we will have to print the cost price. So we can print easily, and if you want to understand this code, you can take a screenshot of it and also print according to the values. Now we run this program, take the input from the user. First input we take a 6 and second input we take 3. And in the first input we take again 6 input 12.3 and 15.2 12.3. Now we have taken an input according to our program. Let's check it. It is give a total estimated cost is 18.7.4. It is give our correct answer. So if you want more coding question and previous material which is asked in TCS 24th and 25th October, you can visit our website www.prevdrive.com. And if you feel this video is beneficial for you, please like, subscribe and comment also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.